Today we're learning about the letter A. This is a capital A and this is a lowercase a. A says ah in apple and ah in acorn. Your turn! Hi, let's learn about the letter A. The letter A says ah. Can you say ah? Great job! A says ah. See you next. A says ant. A says aeroplane. A says aeroplane. Hi, let's learn about the letter B. B makes the B, like ball. And bat. Your turn now. Yay! Great job. Let's learn the letter B. B says B, like ball and banana. Your turn, say B. Great job.
B stands for basket, and B stands for banana. Let's put a banana by the B. B for basket and banana.
Hi, B stands for basket, and B stands for banana. Basket and banana both start with B. Let's learn more letters together. We're learning about the letter C. C can make the k sound, like in cat and cup. Let's say it together. C says k. Great job. See you next. Learn the letter C. C makes the k sound, like cat. Watch this. C says k. Great job. C makes k. Learn about the letter C. C stands for cap, like this cap here. But C also stands for capital, like a capital city. See? One letter, two words. Hi, let's learn the letter D. D makes the sound D. You try. D, 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 D. Great job. D stands for duck. Look, a duck. And D stands for dragons. Wow, a dragon. This is so cool. Hey, let's learn the letter E. E makes the sound E. A, like an elephant. Great job. E says E. Hi everyone, I'm here to show you a super fun learning app. It's called Explore with E, and it makes learning fun. See? Just tap here to start an adventure. Ready to explore with me? E stands for elephant. E stands for elevator. F. The letter F makes the sound F. Listen. Your turn. Say F. Great job. Let's learn about the letter F. F is for frog. F is for fish. And F is for flower. Great job. Hi, let's learn about the letter G. G is for giraffe. Let's go. G, G. G says G. G says G. G says G. G says I. Let's learn about the letter H. Here's the big H and the small h. H makes the H sound, like in hat. Can you find something that starts with H? Hi, let's learn about the letter H. Big H stands for hot. See that this heart? And little h stands for heart. H is for hot and heart. H, H. H is for hat. Hat starts with the H sound. Let's practice the H sound together. Great job! I stands for information. Wow, so much information! I for idea! That's so cool! I says I. Hi, let's learn about the letter J. J makes the J sound, like in jam and jelly. Can you say J with me? Great job! I'm J. J stands for Jellyo. See it wiggle? It's wobbling Jellyo. J also stands for jacket. A cozy purple jacket for me. Hi, J stands for jumping. Watch me jump. J also stands for jacket. See the jacket on my tablet? J for jumping and jacket. Hi, let's learn about the letter K. K makes the K sound, like in the word kite. You can trace it too. Ready? Kate. The letter K stands for Kit, my name. See, K is a very useful letter. What else starts with K? Hi, the letter K stands for Kit. K also stands for kettle. L is for the sound O, like listen. O. Your your turn. Say L. Great job! Hi, L is for lemon. And L is also for leaf. Great job! See you next time! M stands for mug. Stands for map. M stands for map. M can stand for so many things. M stands for mug. Let's make it purple. Wow, a purple mug. M is for purple mug. Hi, let's learn about the letter N. N makes the nest sound, like a nest. See, now you try. Can you find the letter tablet? N stands for nest. N stands for net. O stands for orange. Look at the orange. O stands for ox. See the ox? Great job! O stands for orange. O stands for ox. Hi! Let's learn the letter P. First, a tall line down, then a loop at the bottom. Good job! You drew a P. P stands for pen. And P stands for pizza. Hi! Let's learn about the letter Q. Q makes the sound coo, like in Queen and Quick. Tap the tablet to hear more. Great job! Keep practicing. Hi! Let's learn about the letter Q. Q stands for question. Like, what is your favorite color? Keep asking questions. Bye! Hi! Let's learn about the letter R. R makes sound like red and rabbit. Can you think of more words with R? Great job! R is a super letter. See you next time! R stands for rabbit. R stands for rose. As for rabbit and rubbish those. S stands for star. S stands for spoon. What else starts with S? Hi, today we're learning the letter T. Here's the big T and the small t. T is for tiger, and T is for tree. What T words do you know? T stands for table. T stands for train. T stands for tomato. Hi, let's learn about the letter U. U is for up. See the arrow? And U is for unicorn. Your turn. Can you find something that starts with U? U stands for umbrella. U stands for unicorn. U stands for uniform. What else starts with U? Hi, let's learn the letter V. Watch this. I'll trace it. Yay, it's glowing. That was fun. Let's do another. V stands for violin. See? You can play beautiful music on it. V also stands for vegetable. Like this, carrot. V is for vegetable. What else starts with V? V stands for volcano. See the hot lava? V also stands for van. Look at it go! V is for volcano and van. Say all my letter sounds. Woo. 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 Say all my letter sounds. Woo. 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 W stands for watch. W stands for wheel. What else starts with W? Wow, look at that! It's glowing! This is so cool! The letter X. X stands for xylophone. See, it makes music. Listen! Xylophone starts with X. Cool, right? Let's learn about the letter Y. This is a capital Y, and this is a lowercase y. And Y is for yo-yo. Yay for Y! Can you say Y? Wow, the letter Z is glowing. Let's draw a bee on my tablet. Fly away, little bee. Z, come with me. This is so much fun. We're learning the letter Z. Z stands for zoo. Look, a zebra, a lion, and a giraffe. What other animals can you find at the zoo? Bye! I can say all my letter sounds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.